Welcome to our guide on how to share your family events on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to begin creating your post. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event from the options provided. 4. Choose Family to highlight the importance of your family event. 5. Tap on Enter Title to give your event a name. 6. Enter the title of your family event and include the date to mark this special occasion. 7. Tap Next at the top right corner to proceed. 8. Use the audience selector to pick who you want to invite to your family event, whether it's extended family, friends, or a specific group. 9. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to share the details of your family event with your Facebook connections. By following these steps, you can easily announce and invite others to your family gatherings and celebrations on Facebook. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in explaining how to post your family events on Facebook. Share the joy and togetherness of your family occasions with your social network by following these simple steps.